Hello, I'm Dr. Rai from 100% Chiropractic in Jackson Township. Today we have patient Dawn. She's also staff here. She's 18 weeks pregnant and she's having a lot of lower back pain, sciatica pain halfway through her pregnancy so far. And with chiropractic adjustments, she's been getting a lot of relief from that. Chiropractic adjustment in pregnancy goes a long way in terms of keeping the pain to its minimum, keeping her spine functioning better, which helps the baby position better. Also, it can have her life be easier when it's time for delivery time.